y'all, Crazy Pop here, and I want to thank you for joining us for supper tonight. Tonight we're going to have, I think I'm going to call this a shrimp and sausage skillet, even though it's going to be on Blackstone. I guess the Blackstone could be technically called a skillet, but anyhow, that's what we're going to make. You can make this in the skillet if you want to, but it's a lot more fun on the Blackstone, a lot easier too. So anyhow, super simple. It's going to be really, really good. I've done kind of a variation of this before in the past, and everybody loved it. I think tonight I'm going to add put a little different twist onto it. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. Super simple. Hey, but if you're new here, consider subscribing. We would love to have you here at the Crazy Acres. While you're down there subscribing, ring that bell notification, give us a thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments where you're coming from. We'd love to welcome you here. If you've been here, thank you so much. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's because of you we continue to doing what we're doing. Also, if you're looking for any other recipes we've done, look down there in the description. There's a recipe playlist down there. If you don't see what you're looking for, let us know. One other thing, check us out on TikTok. We got some awesome things going on over there. With that being said, let's fire this griddle up, show you some groceries, and let's get to cooking. Let's get this bad boy fired up. I think I'm gonna go this burner, and this burner. Fire them up. And honestly, I think I'm gonna turn them down to about a medium low-ish. We'll go with that. Now, there's only going to be a few ingredients in this. Of course, we got, I don't know, a little over 2 pounds of smoked sausage here. Right at 2 pounds of small shrimp. These have already been washed, deveined, tail off, all that good stuff. We got some bell peppers. Now, there's about 3 or 4 in there cut up. Use however many you want to use. And 1 medium onion cut up. But we are going to season it with some tequila lime. That's some good stuff, y'all. I've done this on the sausage and the shrimp before, and it's turned out amazing. We're getting some smoke off the griddle. That means one thing. It's time to put some groceries on this griddle. So let's go ahead, throw all our sausage down. Throw our peppers and onions down. Now we're gonna get the sausage, the peppers, and the onions going. The shrimp won't take long at all. Whoa, trying to get away. The smell off this griddle right now, these peppers and onions and sausage, is ridiculous. So good. I still say that Blackstone or somebody needs to kind of bottle this scent, make like an air freshener. Who wouldn't want this to smell like their house to smell like this? Come on. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down on these peppers and onions. Just kind of help them out just a little bit. This griddle is looking right. So I think that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this far burner down to low. Still got a medium-ish, medium to low to medium, however you want to say it, in the middle here. And once these veggies start getting kind of soft, I'm gonna add that shrimp in there and just cook it all together. Season it up, and we'll be eating here in just a little bit. Real quick, fast, easy meal. It's starting to get softened up, looking good. Veggies are getting soft, sausage is getting done. Let's add that shrimp and just kind of mix it all together and let it cook. Let's go ahead and season it up now. Now, as far as how much to use, that is completely up to you. This stuff is delicious. I love it. I'm gonna go with that. We'll give it a try here in a minute. See if we like it and need more, we'll add more. Ho, ho, ho. Now the smell is really good. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Ain't this thing looking good now, y'all? Get it good and mixed up, spread it out, let that shrimp cook. We're gonna turn everything down to low now. So all 3 burners are down to low. This side over here is still off. Spread it all out really good. Y'all gotta check this out. Y'all look at that right there. Man, this is gonna be so good. All right, let's give it a stir, y'all. I said that shrimp will not take long. The vegetables are getting good and soft. Me personally, I'd probably add some jalapeno into it, but hey, family don't care for that spicy stuff too much, but I think it'd be good in here. Spread it back out, let it cook for a little bit. Let's try this out, see if it needs a little more seasoning. I think I'm gonna try this sausage with this onion. They're good, no doubt. It could use a little more. Let's try that. Get it all mixed up good together. Spread it out. Let that seasoning set into it. Let it cook just a little bit longer. Almost time to take it up. One more try. We'll try some shrimp this time, see if it tastes like I want it to. And then, hey, if it's right, we're gonna take this up. Try the shrimp right here. There it is. It's what I'm looking for. It's not overpowering, but you can taste it. But you still taste the shrimp, and the others, it's good. We gotta take it up and try it. So at this point, I'm gonna kill the heat. Got a cutting board. And let's serve it up. Y'all, this is so easy. This was really very quick, very easy to make tonight. And feeds a ton of people. I mean, look at this. Voila, there it is. Our shrimp and sausage skillet dinner. Y'all wanna see this up close? You got to. Y'all, look at that big pile of a mess we done did made. Man. Got that sausage, let's just focus, there you go. Some sausage, some shrimp, some bell peppers, some onions are in there. There's an onion right over, look at that onion trying to hide. Look, I see you, I see you. Oh yeah, focus, focus. Man, the camera don't know, it's so good the camera can't even focus. We gotta try this out, y'all. Well, y'all, there it is. Super quick. I mean, that took me maybe 20 minutes total to cook it, maybe. I didn't time it, so I really don't know. But anyhow, it was very quick. So this would be a great weeknight meal, and as you see, that's a lot of food. It's gonna feed a lot of people. Hopefully I can take some to work tomorrow. Maybe I'll have some lunch tomorrow, who knows. But anyhow, and it smells amazing. I just gotta throw that in there. The tequila lime seasoning on shrimp and sausage is phenomenal. It's out of this world. It's just really great. We've done it before, but I've never done it with the bell peppers and the onions, and I figured, hey, throw that in there, can't be bad. So we gotta try this out. Let's try it out. I gotta get some all of it on here, y'all. Come here, shrimp. Well, I hate it sounds right. Don't want to brag, but that's good. That's real good. Y'all have to try it. And hey, you can vary. You can make, vary it. You can do whatever you want in it. Like I said earlier, some jalapenos will probably go awesome in this thing. It really would. But that's just me. That's That tequila lime seasoning is perfect with this dish. I mean, gives it a great taste. That shrimp is done just right. The sausage, the bell peppers, and the onions are just good and soft, and they're just where they need to be. Hey, try this out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. My mouth is watering, just wanting some more of this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down twice. You know the drill. So with that being said, check out all other stuff. Check us out on TikTok, and we'll see you next time.